What's up, my wild wolves? Today we are fixing my hair.
Life can be cruel if you're a dreamer. I just wanna have some fun. Don't tell me what could be done.
Just kidding, we're doing a food thing. I'm sorry about my hands. They're all purpley. And coffee maker. And yeah, we're just going to be making some food. Okay, so what you'll need is wheat thins, raspberries, blackberries, a plate, a tiny little bowl, a fork, a spoon, and a little tiny plastic knife. So let's get started. Okay, so first you need your raspberries in your bowl. Open the raspberries, and you get this. So I'm going to use this I'm going to yeah, you you just keep putting the little tiny things in. And I know this might seem disgusting, but it will be working out for what we're making. And I'll put that in the title because I don't exactly know what we're making yet. So it's either you just keep on putting the little things in, or you smash the berry until they kind of like spread off. And so I'm just gonna keep wiping this off, and I'm gonna kind of go like this with the knife and throw the rest of this away and try to get all of this off. Now you're just gonna repeat that with a couple of them. However, this is actually blackberry jam that we're kind of making. So yeah, just repeat this until like you're done with how many. Okay, now that you have maybe something like that, I put 3 raspberries in for like this particular one. So now you're going to use your spoon and just mash it. Now, I'll kind of show you guys what I'm doing. Just kind of pressing them down to try to make some kind of jam. And I'm just kind of taking them and mashing them. And it's actually working out pretty well, if I can say so myself, which I do. It actually does work out pretty well, and I'm just going through this blindsided because this is not like anything good. Also, it would be good for lipstick, like if you're weird, because it tastes good. I'm sorry if you guys hear the TV, because I do right now, but I don't know if it will pick up, if the microphone will pick that up. So you kind of need this mushy little looking thing. Now I'm just gonna kind of mix it all, and then what I'm gonna do is, so I'm gonna kind of put them all in the middle. I know this will be kind of weird, but I'm going to put this in for 10 seconds into the microwave. But we're just going to keep that open for a second just to get it ready. And now, it depends on what kind of raspberries you have. So mine are very kind of sour. So I'm going to put some sweetening in my jam. So, yeah. And then, so it does dissolve like practically right away. So now I'm gonna just mix that up. Now I'm gonna put it in for 10 seconds, just to kind of melt it more. No, 5 seconds. Because, yeah, you will need to put this in the fridge also. Okay, so 10 more, 5 minutes, please. And you are gonna have to put this in the fridge just because. So that's what you need for the first part. Yeah. So it does look kind of weird and hot, but it is melted and it does look kind of like jam. So now what I'm gonna do is mix it up a little bit more. Sorry. Little bit more. Okay. Now you put it in here for a while. And now onto this next part. So you get this plate and get these. Now I'm only gonna get a couple because I'm only gonna get 4 and I'm gonna eat one. So now what you're gonna have to do is wash this off. The spoon and fork must be washed off for this to work. So my spoon is fine enough. And so once you have your weaklings on here, you're gonna use your knife. Break through them. Sorry if you hear that beeping, or if you hear the door, or if you hear a person talking, or a dog barking. I'm so sorry, peeps. And got some jam on me.
What are you doing?
Making stuff for a YouTube video.
Huh?
Making stuff for a video. Now, once these are cracked up, these are like, you have to spread them out, but they do have to be quite small. So I'm just going to use my fingers for the rest. And I'm going to do it pretty fast because, yeah. Also, another thing you need is definitely cheese. This is just for these are like just little snacks. So I'm gonna scooch these over, and now I'm gonna go get the cheese. Okay, so here you have your cheese. I forgot about the cheese though. I totally forgot. Remember, I'm going in this blindsided because I just am kind of making it. So you are gonna split it in fourths because, yeah. So you're gonna spread it out, sorry about that. I have my cheeses right here. Split it in fourths. Then you're gonna open your weaklings back up, and now you are making your sandwich. So 2 for this, 2 for this, 2 for this. Sorry about that, my dad called. So now 2 for this. And just move this down a little bit. So now you make your sandwich. And you can either keep the extras on the edge on, or you can take them off. Because, to be honest with you, my lunch was McDonald's. So, yeah. So now, it's actually really cute. You just pile these up 2 at a time. Like, 2 on each other. Like that. And then, you move these over. Like that. And now, time for our jam. So this is what it looks like right now. That's what it looks like right now. These 2 are piled up. And then this is the little crumbs we made. Now it's time to go get your jam. Which is very cold and looks delicious. So you're going to use your knife and you're going to whip some up onto your knife. And actually you're just going to pour it on. Wait, no, you don't have to. Just keep it in the bowl if you want. And then it's time for us to eat. Okay, so now it is time for us to eat. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put a little bit of jam on it. Not that little. A little bit of jam that we made. And delicious. Now, this is actually good. Seriously though, it's good. Okay, we're gonna get my Graham one with the jam in it. Graham, wanna try my thing?
What is it? What is it?
It's, you have to hold it like this. It's like a little thing. Don't you like the jam? I made it.
Good.
I made the jam.
Good.
Yay! I am a success! Success! I think I did good. My Graham said it was delicious. So now I'm going to try it the way she tried it. So I'm going to do what I did for hers. Just gathered some jam here. And just spread it around. All over, though. That's the only thing, though. Oh, fudge. I'm going to save some for my dad, or I can just make him some. Because he is going to come home. And I'll probably make like a full batch of them. Now I'm going to put the cheese on. This on. Ta-da. That is good. I need more jam. That is really good. See what we can do. I'm mixing the jam more. I'm actually gonna get a jar and put this in. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.